Welcome to the ninth part of the multiple choice question and answer series. Already I uploaded 8 parts. Fine, let's start. First question. When supply curve moves to the left, it means options. A. Lesser quantity is supplied at a given price. B. Larger quantity is supplied at a given price. C. Prices have fallen and quantity is supplied at a lower price. D. None of the above. The supply curve moves to the left, which means a decrease in supply. Option A. Lesser quantity is supplied at a given price is the right answer. Second question. When supply curve moves to right, it means options. A. Supply increases and more quantity is supplied at a given price. B. Supply decreases and the less quantity is supplied at a given price. C. Supply remains constant at a given price. D. None of the above. The supply curve moves to the right, which means an increase in supply. Option A. Supply increases and more quantity is supplied at a given price is the right answer. Third question. The elasticity of supply is defined as the options. A. Responsiveness of the quantity supplied of a good to a change in its price. B. Responsiveness of the quantity supplied of a good without change in its price. C. Responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a good to a change in its price. D. Responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a good without change in its price. This question is on elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply examines the responsiveness of quantity supplied to a change in its price. Option A is the correct answer. Fourth question. Elasticity of supply is measured by dividing the percentage change in quantity supplied of a good by options. A. Percentage change in income. B. Percentage change in quantity demanded of goods. C. Percentage change in price. D. Percentage change in taste and preference. This question is on formula of elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply is measured by dividing the percentage change in quantity supplied of a good by percentage change in price. Option C is the right answer. Fifth question. Elasticity of supply is zero means options. A. Perfectly inelastic supply. B. Perfectly elastic supply. C. Imperfectly elastic supply. D. None of the above. It is very simple and easy to answer. Elasticity of supply zero means perfectly inelastic supply. Choose option A, it is the right answer. Sixth question. Elasticity of supply is greater than 1 when options. A. Proportionate change in quantity supplied is more than the proportionate change in price. B. Proportionate change in price is greater than the proportionate change in quantity supplied. C. Change in price and quantity supplied are equal. D. None of the above. It is a straightforward question. Yes. Elasticity of supply is greater than 1 when proportionate change in quantity supplied is more than the proportionate change in price. Option A is the correct answer. Seventh question. If the relative change in quantity supplied is exactly equal to the relative change in price, then the elasticity of supply is options A less than 1, B greater than 1, C 1, D none of the above. If the relative change in quantity supplied is exactly equal to the relative change in price, then the elasticity of supply is 1. Option C is the right answer. Eighth question. The price of a commodity decreases from 6 rupees to 4 rupees and the quantity demanded of the good increases from 10 units to 15 units. Find the coefficient of price elasticity. Options A 1.5, B 2.5, C negative 1.5, D 0.5. To answer this question fast, you have to develop two ratios. One is by ignoring the sign, find the ratio change in quantity by change in price, that is 5 by 2. The other one is find the ratio original price by original quantity, that is 6 by 10. Multiply these two ratios. The answer is 1.5. It is elasticity of demand. Option A 1.5 is the correct answer. Ninth question. The supply function is given as Q equal to negative 100 plus 10p. Find the elasticity using point method when price is 15. Options A 4, B negative 3, C negative 5, D 3. Though this question appears to be difficult, in fact it is not so. An equation of supply curve is given. Then the formula we have to use here is elasticity of supply equal to slope of the supply curve multiplied by the ratio of price by quantity. The slope of the supply curve is given in the supply function. It is the coefficient of P, that is 10. Price is given, it is 15. To find the quantity Q, substitute P equal to 15 in the supply equation. Q is 50. Substitute all the values in the elasticity formula and simplify. Elasticity of supply is 3. Option D is the correct answer. 10th question. The figure below shows the budget constraint of a consumer with an income of 900 rupees to spend on two commodities, namely ice cream and chocolates. The prices of these two commodities respectively are options A 10 rupees and 20 rupees, B 20 rupees and 10 rupees, C 10 rupees and 5 rupees, D any of the above. We have to find the price of ice cream and chocolate. Income is given in the problem. It is 900 rupees. If the consumer spends his entire income on ice cream, he can buy 45 units. On the other hand, if he spends his entire income on chocolate, he can buy 90 units. These information are given in the graph. Then the price of ice cream is 900 by 45, 20 rupees, and the price of chocolate is 900 by 90, 10 rupees. Option B 20 rupees and 10 rupees is the correct answer. Our session ends here. We shall meet in the next session.